Okay, hello everyone. This is a tutorial video to share with you what can you do to all those spam for your WordPress website that even Google Recaptcha couldn't stop them. Okay, so this is one of the sample website and this is my contact form. So what I'm going to do is to very quickly to share with you. Let's install a very simple and easy to set up plugin to stop all those spam. So go to plugins, add new plugin. And under the search plugin, you can just key in WP Armor and search. After that, you can see this is the plugin being shown, WP Armor Honeypot Anti-Spam. So this is the plugin we are going to install. So click install now. This plugin is very easy, simple, and virtually no setup needed to install. Okay, so after that, click activate. And once you click activate, it has been activated. So there's minimum setting over here. You don't even need to do all those settings here. You can click on the statistic once in a while to check how many spam it has stopped. So how it works is that when the robots come to your website again, this WP Armor will try to protect your website and stop all those spam. And I find that this WP Armor is even more efficient than Google Recaptcha extension. You can try installing this WP Armor and see if you have better results compared to Google Recaptcha. And just one more thing that I want to share with you is that if you refer to the WP Armor plugin page, these are all the plugins form that's compatible with WP Armor. For example, Contact Form 7, Gravity Form, WP Form, Formidable Forms, Caldera Form, Fluent Forms. I've been using this one recently. Okay, and if you are using any one of these contact form, then 100% WP Armor plugin will sure work for you. So I hope that you find this video useful. If you have any questions, just feel free to post in the comments area. See you in the next video. Thank you.